Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome back to another video. In this video we will discuss the most important topic is inheritance and variation MCQs part 3rd. So our first MCQs is the following is a purine base. Option A adenine, B thymine, C cytosine, D uracil. So the correct option is A adenine. Which of the following is a sex-linked trait in the humans? Option A color blindness, option B sickle cell anemia, C Down syndrome, D Turner syndrome. The correct option is A color blindness. Which of the following is a genetic disorder caused by a point mutation? Option A sickle cell anemia, B Down syndrome, C Turner syndrome, D Klinefelter syndrome. So the correct option is A sickle cell anemia. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Ali Technologist. Which of the following is a chromosomal mutation? Option A point mutation, B frame shift mutation, C deletion, D substitution. The correct option is C deletion. Which of the following is a genetic disorder caused by a chromosomal mutation? Option A sickle cell anemia, B Down syndrome, C hemophilia, D color blindness. So the correct option is option B Down syndrome. Which of the following is a silent mutation? Option A mutation that changes a codon to a stop codon, B a mutation that changes one amino acid to another, C a mutation that does not change the amino acid sequence, D a mutation that causes a frame shift. So the correct option is C a mutation that does not change the amino acid sequence. Which of the following is a type of chromosomal mutation? Option A substitution, B insertion, C inversion, D frame shift. The correct option is C inversion. Which enzyme is responsible for repairing DNA damage caused by UV radiation? Option A DNA polymerase, option B ligase, C DNA photolyase, option D helicase. So the correct option is C DNA photolyase. The process of genetic recombination occurs during A mitosis, B meiosis 1, C meiosis 2, D DNA replication. So the correct option is B meiosis 1. Which of the following is not a DNA repair mechanism? A mismatch repair, B nucleotide excision repair, C base excision repair, D RNA splicing. The correct option is D RNA splicing. The process of crossing over results in option A genetic variation, B chromosomal duplication, C chromosomal deletion, D chromosomal inversion. The correct option is A genetic variation. The structure of DNA was discovered by A. Gregor Mendel, B. Thomas Hunt Morgan, C. Watson and Crick. So the correct option is C. Watson and Crick. The enzyme responsible for sealing nicks in the DNA backbone is A. DNA polymerase, B. Ligase, C. Helicase, D. Primase. So the correct option is B. Ligase. Which of the following is a purine base? Option A. Adenine, option B. Thymine, C. Cytosine, and option D. Uracil. The correct option is A. Adenine. The backbone of DNA is made up of option A. Sugar and phosphate, B. Sugar and nitrogenous bases, C. Phosphate and nitrogenous bases, D. Sugar, phosphate and nitrogenous bases. So the correct option is A. Sugar and phosphate. The process of transcription results in the formation of A. DNA, B. RNA, C. Protein, D. Carbohydrate. So the correct option is B. RNA. The enzyme used to cut DNA at specific sequence is called option A. DNA polymerase, option B. Ligase, option C. Restriction enzyme, and option D. Helicase. So the correct option is C. Restriction enzyme. The process of translation occurs in the option A. Nucleus, B. Ribosome, C. Mitochondria, and D. Golgi apparatus. So the correct option is B. Ribosome. The process of producing multiple copies of a gene is called option A. Cloning, B. PCR, C. Gel electrophoresis, D. DNA sequencing. So the correct option is B. PCR, polymerase chain reaction. The process of introducing recombinant DNA into a host cell is called A. Transformation, B. Transcription, C. Translation, D. Transduction. So the correct option is A. Transformation. Which of the following is a vector used in genetic engineering? Option A. Plasmid, B. Ribosome, C. Mitochondria, D. Golgi apparatus. The correct option is A. Plasmid. Which of the following is an application of genetic engineering? Option A. Production of insulin, B. Production of antibiotics, C. Production of vaccines, D. All of the above. So the correct option is D. All of the above. Which of the following tools to separates DNA fragments based on size? Option A. PCR, B. Gel electrophoresis, C. DNA sequencing, D. Cloning. So the correct option is B. Gel electrophoresis. Which of the following is a genetically modified organism, GMO? Option A. BT cotton, option B. Golden rice, option C. Dolly the sheep, option D. All of the above. So the correct option is D. All of the above. The technique used to identify individuals based on their DNA is called A. DNA fingerprinting, B. DNA sequencing, C. PCR, D. Gel electrophoresis. So the correct option is A. DNA fingerprinting. The process of creating an exact genetic copy of an organism is called option A cloning, B PCR, C DNA sequencing, D gel electrophoresis. So the correct option is A cloning. Thank you for watching my videos.